public discourse, public display, public domain, public expenditure, public funds, public image, public institution, public perception, public policy, public sector, public sphere, public transport, public welfare. Publicly available, publish research, publish a journal, publish a report, publish an article, published literature, published material, published research, published work. Purchasing power, qualitative analysis, qualitative approach, qualitative data, qualitative method, qualitative research, qualitative study. Qualitatively different, qualitatively analysis, qualitatively approach, qualitatively data, qualitatively method, qualitatively research, qualitatively result, qualitatively study. Racial differences, racial discrimination, racial equality, racial group, racial stereotype, radical change, radical critique, radical differences, radical transformation, radically different, raise awareness, raise a question, raise an issue, random error, random sample, random variable, randomly assigned, randomly chosen, randomly selected, rapid expansion, rapidly changing, rapidly growing, raw data, reach a consensus, reach a peak, reach an agreement. आगे देखते हैं. readily accessible, readily available, readily understood, ready access, real issue, receive feedback, receive information, receive treatment, recent decades, recent evidence, recent research, recent study, recent survey, reciprocal relationship, record data, recurrent theme, reduce emphasis, reduce stress, reduce the likelihood, reflective practice, reflective question, regional development, regional differences, regional variation, regulatory agency, regulatory framework, related activity, related area, related aspect, related factor, related information, related issue, related problem, related question, related topic, relative autonomy, relative merits, relative status, relatively common, relatively constant, relatively few, relatively high, relatively low, relatively little, relatively minor, relatively rare, relatively recent, relatively simple, relatively stable, relatively straightforward, relevant data, relevant factors, relevant information, relevant issue, relevant literature, relevant material, reliable data, relevant reliable information, religious belief, religious faith, religious freedom, religious group, religious identity, religious movement, religious practice, really heavily, remain constant, remain stable, remain unchanged, remain unclear, remarkably similar, renewable energy, renewed interest, report data, report findings, representative government. आगे देखते हैं. require consideration, require knowledge, require resources, research effort, research evidence, research findings, research methodology, research purposes, research topic, research resolve a conflict, resolve dispute, respond appropriately, review a study, revised edition, revised version, rich source, rising cost. आगे देखते हैं. रिस्क असेसमेंट, रिस्क असेसमेंट, रफली इक्वल, रफली इक्विवेलेंट, रूलिंग क्लास, रूलिंग पार्टी, रूरल एरिया, रूरल कम्युनिटी, रूरल इकोनॉमी, रूरल पॉपुलेशन, रूरल सोसाइटी, सैलिएंट कैरेक्टरिस्टिक, सैलिएंट फीचर, स्केर्स रिसोर्सेज, स्कीमेटिक रिप्रेजेंटेशन, scholarly journal, scholarly literature, scholarly research, scholarly work, scientific community, scientific discourse, scientific evidence, scientific investigation, scientific method, scientific objectivity, scientific research, scientific theory. आगे देखते हैं. सेकेंडरी डाटा, सेकेंडरी एजुकेशन, सेकेंडरी सोर्स, सिक्योरिटी पॉलिसी, सीक हेल्प, सीक इंफॉर्मेशन, seem appropriate, seem obvious, seem plausible, seem unlikely, seminar study, seminal work, senior management, separate entity, serious challenge, serious consequences, serious offense, serve a function, service sector, set a goal, set a target, set an objective, set the agenda, set the parameters, severely affect sexual abuse, sexual act, sexual behavior, sexual context, sexual difference, sexual exploitation, sexual identity, sexual intercourse, sexual orientation, sexual violence, sexual share information, shared experience, shared meaning, shared values, sharp contrast, sharp distinction, shift emphasis, short duration, short period, show evidence, show variation, show a tendency, show a trend, sign a treaty. आगे देखते हैं. Significant amount, significant change, significant contribution, significant correlation, significant degree, significant development, significant difference, significant effect, significant factor, significant feature, significant figures, significant growth, significant impact, significant improvement, significant increase, significant influence, significant interaction, significant number, significant part, significant portion, significant proportion, significant reduction, significant relationship, significant role, significant shift, significant variation. आगे देखते हैं. significantly affect, significantly correlated, significantly higher, significantly increased, significantly reduced, similar approach, similar argument, similar characteristics, similar effect, similar issue, similar pattern, similar properties, similar result, similar situation, simplified version, single currency, single element, single entity, single individual, single issue, single source, single variable, a skilled worker, slightly different, slightly higher, slow process, a small fraction, a small minority, a small percentage, a small portion, a small proportion, a small quantities. आगे देखते हैं. social activity, social aspect, social attitudes, social background, social behavior, social circumstances, social conflict, social consequences, social construct, social context, social democracy, social dimension, social environment, social equality, social exclusion, social expectation, social factors, social function, social identity.